down here, and even wondering what I was doing. I was outside. Well, I was outside just like looking for stuff with a flashlight. Because at night, I just like to go around. Sometimes at night, just with a flashlight, flashing around, and I found this. What do you call it? Lightning bug. Yeah, a lightning bug, and I smushed him a little, but he recovered. I just caught him about 5 minutes ago, and I showed him to his family, and I'm gonna set him free. So I'm gonna turn my flashlight on. I just don't know why, but recently, like sometimes, like you know, on Five Nights at Freddy's, you're a night guard. Well, I like to pretend that I'm a night guard, and like once in a while, I would just go outside and like go around here, and now I'm gonna set him free. So I put him in this little paper cup, and I'm gonna set him free. And let's see. Come on, little guy. Honestly, I'm just gonna let him. I'm actually not. If he's not gonna fly, I'm actually gonna put this cup in the grass. And you can't. Oh, he's right out there. Well, I'm just gonna get my. Wait, hold on a second, guys. Okay, guys, we just need to get my dad because he's just gonna hold flashlight at me. Honestly, oh, and also, guys, happy Father's Day to all the fathers. Happy Father's Day to you because today is Father's Day. No, don't shine at the cup. So we're just gonna let him go. And in the morning, since our spring break was very long, we have one more day of school. Well, after school, I'm going to check back right here and see if he's gone. And he will be. I'm just going to see if he did move or not. So, I'm going to put him right off. See this? I'm gonna put him right here. So I'm gonna make a video checking up on this tomorrow, and like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the morning at right after school, which is at 1 o'clock. I will make a video. Around 1 o'clock, I will hopefully make a video and see if he's gone or not, okay? See you at 1 o'clock tomorrow. Bye.